welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a holiday home decor video. I've been wanting to get this up for the longest time. I am so obsessed with the way my house turned out this year that I've been really wanting just to show you guys and give you guys a tour, show you some of the things that I have purchased and where I've purchased them from. So if you guys are interested, you guys can go pick them up. The vibe of my house, typically on like an everyday non-holiday occasion, is like a very glam farmhouse kind of chic look. I love the rustic farmhouse vibes, but I don't like it to be too rusticy and too farmy. I like it to have a touch of like mixed metals and texture and a little bit more glammed up, but not super glam, if that makes any kind of sense. So I went for the same vibe when it came to Christmas. I don't like any colors at all. The most color I will do is like greenery, like you can see in behind me. As far as like actual colors, I don't like, which is why I like to call this video like a winter wonderland kind of look. I like everything to be very white, green, silvery, sparkles, galvanized. Like that's the kind of vibe that I go for Christmas decor, and I'm so obsessed with the way it turned out this year. It is so pretty. I literally decorated my house November like 3rd. Like 3 days after Halloween. My husband was like so annoyed, but it's just so exciting to just have the trees up, have candles lit, have Christmas music going on, just sitting on the couch, drinking a glass of wine, even though I don't drink, but you guys know what I mean. That is just like the vibe and like the best part about the holidays is just seeing the trees lit and all the decor and just the scent of the candles. It just gives me life. So a lot of the stores that I've purchased from, you will see in today's video, are Target, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Hobby Lobby, Big Lots, and Pier 1. That is the majority of the stuff in my house, and maybe Wayfair. I'm not quite sure, but I shop there a lot, so who knows. So anyways, those are a lot of the stores, so I will let you guys know as I go through and I explain where I got everything from and like why I got it, where they are from, but those are the main stores. Don't sleep on Big Lots because they have really good Christmas stuff for super cheap. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my home, and let me know what you guys think down below. I promise you guys that I will get up a makeup look soon. That will probably be next. I've just really been into kind of just like the closet tours and the home tours and all that kind of stuff. It's just what I like right now on YouTube. So let me know what you guys think down below. If you are new here, thank you so much for tuning in. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit that little button down below before you go. And let's just jump straight in to my home. Alright guys, welcome to the front of my house. So this is a front door. Obviously, those two big trees that you see right there came in a set from Home Depot. That lantern, I believe, was from Target. This Merry Christmas sign was from Big Lots, and as well as my wreath that's on the door was from Lowe's. So I wanted to do a very simple, classic kind of look. My next thing that I want to get is a new rug for the outside of my door. So now moving into the inside of the house, this is my front entrance. So as soon as you walk into my house, this is exactly what you see. This is my front foyer table. So as I said in the intro of my video, I don't like any color, so I kept everything very simple to like flocked greenery and like glitter. So I got this little thing from the Target dollar section and I wrapped that around the mirror. Some of those trees on top of my table are from Target. The two big like ceramic ones are from Big Lots. The little candle house is from the dollar section in Target. The pine cones are from Big Lots, as well as that basket is from Hobby Lobby. So as you can tell, I really like to shop in the discounted section, so I do a lot of Target dollar section shopping. So here is the bottom part of my foyer table. So the lantern, I already have that, so I just filled it with the magnolia and hearth vase fillers. That little snowman is from Big Lots, and that's basically it for the front foyer. I just kind of move stuff around from my house and then just add more Christmas decorations. So this tree right here is a 7-foot flocked pre-lit tree. I got this one from Big Lots. I believe it was only $100, which is great. My little tree skirt is from Sears, and then this tree right here, I believe I got this like 3 years ago from Home Goods. So that's basically it for the front room. The main part of my house is the main living area. Okay, and I'm sorry for how shaky the video is. I did film this by myself and it was a little bit on the difficult side. So here is my main living space. This is where the kitchen, the eating, and the living room is. So on my kitchen island. The only thing I have is this little dollar section from the Target Christmas tree, as well as this Bath and Body Works candle with the little candle holder. Then I have like little napkins that I believe I got last year where it just says best time of the year. Obviously they fit the green theme. Okay, now moving on to basically my favorite part, which is my dining table. These flocked pines that Target had this year are so pretty. They have like a little bit of glitter. I just love anything flocked. So down here where I have like that dirt, I ended up changing that to Epsom salt to make it look more of like snow. Now my placemats, the placemats are from Pier 1. The little chargers are from Hobby Lobby, and the plates, the napkins, and the napkin rings are from Pier 1 as well. They were in my old dining room that was in the front, but I ended up moving it to my living space, and it's so pretty for the holidays. It literally fits my Winter Wonderland theme so good. So now for the second part of my winter decor is my living room area media table kind of space. So here on the side of the media table, I have this birch wood, like Charlie Brown tree is what I like to call it. I got that from Costco last year. That ladder is always up. That is from World Market. And then below that, I have the little Advent calendar telling you how many days are left until Christmas with little letters to Santa and a galvanized snowman. So the Advent calendar is from Target. The two galvanized pieces are from Big Lots. And then, like I said, that tree was from Costco. The little basket with the pillows and the blankets, that is there year round. But I feel like the vibe of my house is always the same. So all my decors for every season always kind of flow together with my regular house decor, which I love that because I don't have to change too much. All right, and now moving on to my media table. This vase right here that has the pines in it are from the Hearth and Hand Magnolia line, and the pines are the same ones that are on my dining table. So then those little house stocking holders were in the dollar section at Target. The stockings were from Home Goods, as well as this little house with a candle in it. Those were from Target dollar section as well, and the books are from Hobby Lobby. That's part of my normal decor. So then the nutcrackers are from Home Goods, as well as that joy sign. I absolutely love that joy sign. I feel like if I had a fireplace, it would be so much cuter, but it still looks really good on the media table. Then that candle and the candle holder are obviously from Bath and Body Works. The little houses, again, are from the dollar section at Target. I don't remember exactly where I got this flock tree from, but I want to say it was from Target last year. They always have the prettiest flock trees. So then now for my regular pre-lit flock tree. This is a 9-foot flock tree with pine cones on it from Home Depot, I believe. I purchased it at Black Friday, so it was on sale. I believe it was only $150. Then those little like snowboard cross kind of ornaments are the only ornaments that I put in there. It's like random. I have like 3. Those are from Target last year, and the fur tree skirt is from Home Goods. I absolutely love having artificial trees. I just feel like it's not a mess. I don't have to worry about watering. It's easy, and I just love the way that flock trees look in the house. It just gives me this like winter wonderland kind of vibe, and I honestly feel like it is so pretty that it absolutely needs no ornaments whatsoever. Okay, so now moving on to my couch living area. This is really minimalistic, really. It's funny because I live here and I feel like it's a lot, but it's really not when I go back and I look at it in this video. But here is my coffee table tray. This little flock tree in the basket is from Target, as well as that candle is from the Magnolia line. The tray was a Target Happy Fall tray, but I didn't feel like buying a Christmas one, so I just put a tray on top of the Happy Fall, and it has like a little Christmas tree on it, and it still looks really cute. So all the blankets and pillows on my couch are from Target. They're also from the Magnolia Hand and Hearth line from Joanne and Chip Gaines. That is from last year's collection, which I'm so happy I got because I didn't like the ones this year. I liked their hint of green from last year. Okay, and now for the side table on my couch. This tray is from Home Goods. Those little owls are from Hobby Lobby, and that frosted flock tree is from TJ Maxx. Again, I am trying to switch all the trees that are not frosted in my house to flocked for next year, so I just can't get enough of those flock trees. I literally have 17 in my house, like legit 17. So those eucalyptus are from Target. The little 2 trees, or that tree, and then the little bicycle is from Target, as well as the vase fillers inside the lantern are from Target as well. There are a lot from the dollar section. Then this little deer and that 'Tis the Season is from Hobby Lobby as well. And then those pine cones are from Big Lots, and the basket is from Hobby Lobby. So a lot of these decorations are what I use year round, and I just fill them with stuff, or I just kind of move them around the house. And then this little wreath is from home goods, I want to say. So that basically completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my home decor video for Christmas. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know if you guys think I did too much or too little, or I can do more. Let me know down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.